AAKRITI and welcome back to my channel. I'm here with my birthday series, that is my birthday is coming. So basically, let's talk about the backdrop first. मैंने आज थोड़ी सी मेहनत की है, like मैंने इस बेचारे रियल प्लांट में यहाँ पे ऐड कर दिया है. मैं अभी एक क्रिसमस ट्री लेके आई थी तो मैं इस जैसे बैकड्रॉप में ऐड कर दी to make it little good. And while talking about my haircut, मैंने न्यू haircut लिया है. I'm loving it. Okay, so here I am having my birthday haul with me. Like I shopped quite a lot for my birthday. यहाँ मैंने अपना थोड़ा सा सामान इकट्ठा कर लिया, like my clothes, my jewelry, sort of something, my hair care and everything that and so without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with the top that I'm wearing. So I bought this top from Mango. I don't know why this is appearing like white on the screen. ये बहुत ही baby pink sort of color में, like the lightest pink I have ever seen. बहुत light pink में है ये और बहुत pretty like mesh top है. That बहुत ही transient, having a like little like cotton sleeves. बहुत pretty top है, बहुत oversized type of look में है. Like I guess this is large or XL, I don't remember the size, but this top is really very pretty and I'm loving it. Moving on to our second item, that is the camisole that I'm wearing under this top. This is like dark pink or sort of color, and this is like very pretty like body hugging type of cami top, which really looks perfect. While talking about the cami top, I bought one more cami in white color, which is like this. I actually bought this to wear under like a lot of tops. ये मतलब white cami ना बहुत सारे tops के नीचे required होते हैं. You can wear it like this only with the jacket or anything. This really looks good. Something similar to cami top, I bought this one as well. Like this is not exactly cami, but this is like very oversized t-shirt, cut sleeves t-shirt, a cami type of thing, which is having a very nice detail over here, like having this mesh or net kind of work. By the way, this top is from H&M and the size is large. This is in large size and like this is very big, giving like dhila dhala sort of look, and this one is very pretty. Okay, so next thing that I bought is this very pretty floral top by women in size XL. Basically मैंने बहुत large size में इसलिए लिया था. I want to style it like in a off shoulder sort of thing. This top is having like button all over here, like in the upper part of the front, and this looks really very pretty when styling it in off shoulder or one shoulder, or just throw it on your body like this only and this will slay. So the next thing that I have is this very pretty pink color jumpsuit. Like I have this very crop top, and wow, while talking about the sleeves, this is having very pretty and unique sleeves like this. मेरे किसी भी टॉप में कुछ इस टाइप की sleeves नहीं थी, and a very crop top. By the way, this one is from the brand Mango in the size L, and this one is very pretty. And while talking about the bottom, this is having a very long palazzo pant. ये literally मेरे भी बहुत लंबे हैं, but मैंने कट इसलिए नहीं कराए because I always wore this with my heels, approximately this heels. तो ये मतलब इतना मेरे को कट कराने की नीड नहीं लगी. heels के साथ this will go. तो having like this, both are in same shade, print, color or whatever you can say, and this is really nice. Like this this is the very first jumpsuit that I own, but this is really very nice. While let's come on to the ethnic part, the kurti. Like I'm having this very pretty kurti in light blue sort of color with having a white floral details all over it. Let me try to show you. Here it is. So this is a very pretty light blue sort of kurti, like girlish kind of things. This one is very pretty, like I'm loving it. My birthday is in Ram Navami, तो सुबह पूजा होगी, मंदिर जाना होगा, तो probably I'm going to wear it on that time. Okay, so here I'm having some wintry kind of, not wintry, like jacket kind of thing, like a denim jacket. I'm a huge fond of jackets, denim jackets. I always want to wear a cami top, then layer it with the jacket. This will seriously look good. That's why I bought this very pretty jacket by Flipkart, I guess. Yeah, this one is from Flipkart, and the brand, okay, I don't know from which brand it is, but it is in size L, and this is having a very pretty, like ruffle detailing, not ruffle, like some tarnish type of detailing over here, and in front, in sleeves, everywhere. And this jacket is really very good. Okay, so the very best thing that I own in the whole haul is this top. I am in love with this top. Like, this is the showstopper, I guess. No, I have something amazing more than this as well, but this is like awesome. The sleeves, like the puff in the sleeves is really good. The way it is like a high neck top, turtleneck kind of thing, and it is having like chain over here, which makes it. Just wait a second. So it is having chain in the back, which makes so that you can wear it like easily without having any trouble, and giving you a perfect shape. Like, this top is amazing. Okay, this one is from Amazon by the brand Buy New Trends in the size M, and this top is amazing. I seriously recommend you guys to buy this top. I will make sure कि मैंने जितने भी चीज़ें ऑनलाइन ली है मैं उसका तो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में प्रोवाइड कर ही दूँ. And okay, I forgot to tell you the price. I will make sure कि मैं सारे prices स्क्रीन पे मेंशन कर दूँगी. Okay, तो मैंने जितने भी प्रोडक्ट्स ऑनलाइन लिए, आई विल मेक श्योर कि मैं उनके सबके लिंक्स तो मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे ही दूंगी. एंड द थिंग्स दैट आई बॉट फ्रॉम द स्ट्रीट्स और लाइक विंडो शॉपिंग, मैं उसके सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ आइटम्स ढूंढ के उनको पक्का लिंक कर दूंगी, सो दैट इफ यू वांट टू बाय यू कैन. ओके, so the last clothing item that I bought and I'm in love with, that is this black bodycone dress. Are you guys looking at it? This is the like perfect dress that I own. Like, this fits my body like dream come true. This is a very pretty dress. Basically this is in something woolen, like this is in woolen, having a pocket in front like this. I am having pocket in front like this, and a hoodie. Basically this is a cut sleeves top, but I'm layering it with the top that I shown you previously. But I must say, this dress is awesome. So I think this is the end of my clothing part. Let's come on to the jewelry. I love wearing earrings. Iron is, I'm not wearing any earring right now, but I love wearing earrings. That's why I'm having a pretty 1, 2, 3. I bought 4 earrings for myself. The very first earring that I bought is this very pretty black earrings, having a crystal detailing all over it, like black and golden earrings. And this one is like really nice. The next earring that I bought are these earrings, like having a coin detailing, like this is in golden color, having a coin detailing all over it, having like 4 coins. The best part of these type of earrings is they go both with western and the Indian attire, like they look awesome. The third earring that I bought are these very big hoops. I think these are like 9 centimeters in diameter, and these are really awesome. Like, I love wearing hoops. I'm a hoop baby, and I love wearing hoops. I did my hair like this and this again and again. I'm in love with my new haircut. So basically, what I was saying is, I'm a hoop baby. I love wearing hoops, and the big hoops are like awesome. तुम्हारे look को from down to up एक second में बना सकते हैं. These hoops are awesome. While talking about the last earrings that I bought are these type of earrings. Like, these are the rings that I have with this wire coming out, or what you have to do is just insert the wire like this, and this will look like a earring, and these seriously look amazing. From all 4 of them, these are my ultimate favorite. So, like, I'm done with the earrings. I bought 2 jewelries, like I bought 2 necklaces. The first one is this very pretty white necklace, like having 3 stones over it with a silver detailing. This is like for an Indian outfit kind of thing, or western, like you have to pair it with something really beautiful, and this will definitely looks good. Sorry, this one is definitely looking good. Like, this one is very pretty. I will definitely try my best to style all the clothes in like very different ways and upload it on my Instagram, so that you please make sure that you follow me on my Instagram, so that whenever I'm going to style these clothes, you will see that like styling kind of thing on Instagram. So the link is in the description box below. The second necklace that I bought is this very pretty pearl necklace. This is like Indian kind of thing, but I think pearl goes really well with every kind of outfit. Pearls are the best what do I call it, like pearl is a moti kind of thing, which goes really well with all kind of outfit. Okay, so coming on to the hair accessories that I have is this. First is this very pretty scrunchie with this scarf. Okay, मैंने ये बहुत पहले ली थी, like बहुत पहले, थोड़ा पहले ली थी जब मैंने अपना हेयर कट नहीं कराया था, पर अब मैंने अपना हेयर कट करा लिया. I'm not going to tie my hair with this, but what should I do? I want this. The next thing that I have is this very pretty clutcher, like having monkey all over it, like animal kind of clutcher. Don't know why I'm showing this to you, but I bought this. Next thing that I bought is this very pretty, very pretty, like bachcho wali hair clips. I'm still a kid. I'm turning 21 like on 24th of October, but I love wearing these kind of clips. The next clip that I bought are these very pretty pink clips. These are like very sturdy. These are by brand Yes Go. I don't know if this is a brand or not, but this is by a brand Yes Go, and these are having like pearl detailing also, and the 2 flowers. I'm in love with this hair clip, and this goes really well with my outfit. The last hair accessory that I bought is this cute emoji hair clutcher. Like, I'm having two. Okay, so the next thing that I bought is this by 36H. I know this is not a brand or something, but I love this eyeliner, and I also recommend this because this eyeliner is just awesome. Like, this is waterproof, this is smudge proof, this is long lasting, and this is in Z black. Like, this is the best eyeliner that I have used. So the last thing of this haul is this combo by Mama Earth. I guess मैंने इस वाले हेयर ऑयल पे एक रिव्यू भी ऑलरेडी किया है, जो मैं इधर या इधर जिधर भी आई कार्ड आता है उधर उसको लिंक कर दूंगी, एंड आई विल मेक श्योर कि मैं इसकी जो लिंक होगा, भाई बैठ जाए ऐसे क्या हो गया, जो भी इसका जो वो रिव्यू वाली वीडियो का लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी. एंड आई सीरियसली रिकमेंड दिस अनियन हेयर ऑयल एंड हेयर शैम्पू बाय मामा अर्थ. लाइक, this is the awesome shampoo. Like, the very best thing that I have come to know across about this combo is the hair fall control treatment. Like, I was having like very tremendous hair fall, but touch wood, my hair fall reduces by 70 to 75% after using this combo. Like, this is the best hair oil and hair shampoo that I have ever used, and this is like my third bottle, I guess. This is like my third bottle from the Mama Earth. I'm loving this. So I guess these are the all products that I have bought for my birthday. I have ordered few more, but like, I have to shoot this so that I completed my editing and everything, and I uploaded before my birthday. I guess this will upload it on my birthday, that is 24th or 23rd. Before that I wasn't able to like edit all the things, but I will make sure कि मैं अगर कुछ और लेती हूँ तो I will show this to you on my Instagram, whose link is in the description box below, so make sure you follow me there as well. And so that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give this a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.